Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how to make a under 5 minute slushie. So do you ever wonder how 7-Eleven AMPM makes slushies? Today I'm going to show you under 5 minutes. So what you will need is ice, some salt, I'm using salt crystals, a container, a medium container, or you can use a gallon plastic bag like this one, but I'm using a container, so you're going to need a smaller bag to put your beverage in, a cup, some lids for the cup, some straws. We are going to be testing 4 different kinds of drinks: Sprite, lemonade, orange juice, Sunny D, and Gatorade. So now you're going to want to fill your bucket or bag with ice, like about halfway maybe. And then now you're going to take your salt and maybe pour just a little, like about that much. The salt makes it super duper cold, so I'm not gonna add too much, so now I'm just gonna kind of mix it. And then now grab a beverage and then get one of your bags, your smaller bags, and then we're going to pour the beverage into the bag. As much slushy as you want. I'm gonna do about a little bit more, about this much. And then you're going to want to close the bag super tight so none of the salt gets in your slushies, because you don't want a salty slushie, that's disgusting. And then put it into your bowl or bag and then cover it up. And then now shake it for 5 minutes. After you shake it 3 to 5 minutes, you can open it and get your bag of your beverage or drink, and then grab your cup, open your bag, and then pour your slushie into it. Ooh, yumsters. That mouthpiece. Okay, so now we can. So now we're going to try the purple Gatorade. So make sure to know that the more that you put of your drink, the longer you have to shake. So if you just put a little bit, you only have to shake like 2 minutes. But if you put the whole entire thing, you have to shake like for the whole 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try to put as much as I can of this. Oh, it's blue, but it's grape. That's so much. I'll just put that much because I don't want to shake that much. Now we gotta close it and make sure it's super close. And then we're gonna use our same exact ice bowl from last time with the lemonade, and then put it in, and then put the cap on. Now we shook it to 3 to 5 minutes, and we're gonna open up the container again. Ooh, get the slushie out, and then open my cup, the same exact cup from last time, and then open, it spilled. Open the bag, and then open the other bag, and then we're going to pour it. Wait, the slushy part's kind of just like here. Okay, so now I'm going to taste test. This one tastes different, but still good. So now we're going to try some Sunny D. For you guys that are using a plastic bag, I will show you guys how to do a plastic bag as well. So the same exact thing, open your drink and then get a bag. Then put it in. We'll use all of it. And then close the bag up. We'll double bag this one just in case. Okay, so now we're gonna put some salt. The rest of my salt. And then now we're going to put the Sunny D in and then shake for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 3 to 5 minutes and we're gonna get, oh shoot, this isn't.
Hello, hello.
We're going to get another cup and then we're going to open our bag and get it out. Okay, I think the bag one works way better than the container ones, so, because it's way more slushy than the other ones, so. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. It's so nice. Okay, so put that over there. And then we're gonna get another straw, orange. Orange juice slushies are kind of weird, but way more slushy than the other ones. So I think out of all of the flavors I've done, lemonade's probably the best because it's lemonade and because it had the most flavor, and this one was kind of bad and kind of doesn't really taste like Gatorade and it's kind of weird. This one's pretty good too, but the lemonade's the best because that is the tutorial on how to make slushies under 5 minutes, just like the ones at 7-Eleven or any gas station. So I hope you had fun making some slushies. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. And hope you guys, see you guys next time, and bye.